In this video today, guys, I'm going to show you a really good Clickbank method that you could use. It's all 100% free and should be able to be done from anywhere in the world. And it is going to be on a high traffic site using videos. And no, I'm not talking about where you have to create a video or show your face if you don't want to or anything like that. Alrighty, we're just going to be using videos with our affiliate offers using Clickbank. Now I'm going to use Clickbank, but you can use Digistore24.com, you can use JVZoo, you can use any affiliate product that you want to use with this particular method. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get started in it. But before we do, like I always like to do, I don't want to forget my new visitors. If you're new to my channel here or to my videos and you haven't yet subscribed, well, anytime during the video when you feel like it, just reach down below your video there, click that subscribe button and click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on the channel for you guys. Okay, all right, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. Now, first of all, like I said, I'm going to be using Clickbank products here today. So I come over here to Clickbank. Now, if you don't have an account at Clickbank, it's easy enough and free to do it. Just go to clickbank.com. You see it right there in the address bar. And come over and just click the start button and click and get signed up. And they will send you an email confirmation. So get that checked out. Come back and get logged in. And then you want to click up here where it says Marketplace right here where you see my mouse is. And that will bring you over here to the Marketplace page. Now, for this particular example today, guys, I'm going to be using a weight loss product again. The weight loss niche is probably the top niche in the world today, particularly coming into spring like it is, because people want to get slimmed down, so they get into their bikinis and their bathing suits out on the beach and look pretty good, right? So weight loss is really ramping up now to be the top niche in the world right now. So what I did was over here, Clickbank, you notice I didn't type anything into the search engine right here. I just clicked on the magnifying glass right here, guys, and it gives you all the top products on Clickbank listed right here, as you can see, and most of them are all weight loss products. You can pick any one of these that you want. It just doesn't make any difference. You can see how much you can make per sale, and a lot of these have a recurring billing, which is something that you probably want to do because you get every month when they come back and repurchase again or resubscribe again, you're going to get paid over and over and over each and every month as long as they remain a subscriber or using the product. Okay, so I like this product right here. It's called the where was it here? The Smoothie Diet right here, 21-day rapid weight loss program right here, guys. You can make about $29 right now per sale on that, and they do have affiliate page. We're not necessarily going to need that. All right, so we'll come back to this now that we have our product pick. We will come back to this in a little bit here. So what we want to do now is, well, like I said, we were going to be using videos for this particular method here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to YouTube. And for example, I'm just going to type in weight loss here. All right, since that's the niche that we're dealing with, and press enter. And then when you do this now, so that you don't get caught for copyright or anything like that with YouTube, you want to click up here where you see it says filters. And you want to come over here under the features category or column right here, and you want to come down here, click on Creative Commons right here. So these are videos that can be used for any purpose, either on YouTube or off of YouTube. And we're going to be using these videos off of YouTube. All right, so we'll scroll down. We want to find a good video that's got some reasonable amount of views. I mean, high views. The higher the views, the better, because it's a popular video, right? All right, so this one's pretty good here. We'll scroll down here. I saw one here a little bit ago. Let's see, there's about 20,000 views there. Of course, we're leaning more towards women. When it comes to weight loss, for the most part, you're leaning towards women, right? So that's what we're going to be doing with. Here's it. Looks like a pretty good one here. And if we scroll down, come down here a little farther, this looks a good one right here. Meal plan for maximum weight loss. And my biggest tips on that. And it's about a 24-minute video. It shows a before and after picture, and it's a pretty good video. So what we'll do is we're going to use this. It's got 377,000 views. It was made a year ago, and it's still getting views right now today. All right, and it talks a little bit about it. So we're going to use this video here. So what we're going to do is click on it, and we'll stop it here. We don't need to go through with that. And then what we're going to do is you want to come up here into the address bar up here where you see when you clicked on the video you want, and you want to highlight that address bar, that address in the address bar there, and copy that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to download this video. All right. So what I did was I came over here to Microsoft Bing. You can use Google search engine if you want. And I typed in here, download YouTube videos in the search engine. And it gives me all kinds of sites down through here, guys, that we could use to download YouTube videos. So I just picked on this one right here, y2gram.com, and I clicked on it, and it brought me over here to this right here. So what you want to do after you copied your video from YouTube, you want to bring that link over here, paste it right in there just like that, and press enter. Alrighty guys, yeah, that YouTube downloader site that I had chosen earlier is not working correctly, so I came back and downloaded this other one right down here. Where was it at? This one right here, my YouTube download online converters. Some of these will work and some of them don't. If it doesn't, just go back and pick another one that you can use until it does work. So what I did was I come here, and you can see I pasted the link in right here. Amoy share is what it's called here, and I pasted the link in here, click download, and it loaded the video up right here. And then all you want to do is just download it. Don't click on this. This is an ad right here. Just click this download right here. Alright guys, yeah, I finally found a site here that would do this for us without throwing up all kinds of ads and redirects and things like that. It's right here in the address bar. Actually, I had to go to Google, and I did a search for free YouTube video downloaders again, guys, and I found this one right here. It's Y2Mate. I believe that's the right one. And it brought us over here. It's y2mate.is. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. y2mate.is. This one allowed me to do it. You see I pasted the link in here. Here's the video right here. And then I clicked on the 720p here, MP4, and click convert, and it switched to download, and it ended up downloading it right here. If my downloads thing's right here, you see it right there. Meal plan right there. It's just a matter of downloading it to your computer. Once you get it downloaded to your computer, the video, then what you want to do is you're going to come over to this site right here. This is the site we're going to be using to market this with. And it's this site right here. It's called mgtow.tv. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. mgtow.tv. It's a video site similar to YouTube. People come here and upload all kinds of videos and just all kinds of stuff, and you can put affiliate products on here as well. So what you want to do is come here, and you see people uploading all kinds of different videos. It's a pretty popular site. In fact, if I bring out my similar web right here, guys, and we see it right here, we're on mgtow.tv, and I scroll up, you can see that this site gets about almost 500,000 visitors per month. And if we scroll up a little farther here, you can see that the top tier countries here are Brazil, United States, Mexico, United Kingdom, and Germany are the top 5 countries that come and visit this particular site right here to upload videos. So, for example, like I said, my niche was weight loss, right? So if I type in weight loss here and press enter, you can see that it will show lots of weight loss videos here that people are uploading. And if you can click on any one of those that you want, you can see different things here. I mean, it doesn't matter, just click on one and you can see that it shows the video. And then if we click more down here, you can see that people are putting in affiliate links here. There are different affiliate links down through here, so you can paste your affiliate link. Now, the only thing about this is, guys, is you want to come over here to the right, up here where you see my mouse is right above my head here, guys, and you want to click on register right here. All right, and then you can just put in the username, email address, password, and confirm password, and then your gender. Check the box right here and click sign up. They will send an email confirmation. You need to get that verified and then come back and you can get logged in. Then what you want to do is click on upload right here. Now, one other thing about this is, guys, if you're going to use the free, they do have some paid versions here, which if I click right here, you can see that they have a freemium package. It's $1 a month. And you can upload up to 10 gigabytes at a time and so on and so forth. But if you'll notice right here, you see where it says immediate access for posting here, guys. And if I put my mouse on that right there, you can see that if you pay the $1 freemium package per month, that's $1 a month, not too expensive. Without doing that, you got to wait 72 hours before you can post a video on this site. And I guess it's because they don't want, spammers and people like that coming and so on and so forth. They want to make sure that you're not a spammer. So you got to wait 3 days on the free. This is if you don't pay for any of these packages that you see here. You just want to do it for free, which you can. You got to wait 3 days before you can upload a video on this site. But nonetheless, you will upload your video on the site, and then in your description, you'll come back and you'll get your promote right here. Click on promote for your product. Make sure that your nickname is in there. And then click on generate the hop links here. Now it might want me to, yeah, it did. It gave us the old ugly Clickbank link right here, guys. You want to copy that. All right, and then close that out and bring that back over here to tiny URL. Put it in here and make a tiny link. And as you can see, it made us one right there. Now that's the link right there that you will post in your upload when you upload your video on this site. You'll post that in the description and give a little call to action like click here to find the best way and the most tastiest way to lose weight today. And you can just put that in the top of your description, put your affiliate link there, your tiny URL link, and then upload it and save it like that. And the same thing, do it. You just want to do this over and over again. You can do it with many different products, guys. You can just do any product you want to do this with. And you can just, the more videos that you upload, just make sure that your video that you pick off of YouTube is relevant to the niche that you're using. If you're using affiliate marketing niche, you want to find an affiliate marketing product or video on here. And then pick your product off of Clickbank or Digistore 24 or whatever site or affiliate products that you're using. Just keep your niche congruent across the board and then upload them up here on MGTow. And you can drive some really good traffic to your Clickbank products just right off of these videos right here, and then so on and so forth. So that's how you do that, guys. That's a quick video I wanted to show you today. It's a neat way to do this. It's a free way. It doesn't cost anything. Or you can pay if you want to pay the $1, you can, when you click on this, if you pay just the $1, you can upload as many as you want, up to 10 gigabytes here. You're starting right now. But if you just want the free, you wait 72 hours, like it says here, just 3 days, and then come back and log in, and you can start uploading videos on the free, completely free package, like it says right here. Alrighty, well guys, that's the video I had for you. If you like that, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave any comments down there in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you didn't already do it sometime during the video, and click that notification bell. Alright guys, thanks for subscribing to the channel. Appreciate that. And if you want to see the a free video that I have that'll show you the formula and how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, you want to click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and then come over and watch a free video presentation. It'll show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer making thousands in one day's possibility. Alrighty guys, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that. I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.